Hi guys, it's Gail with Gail's Southern Living. Today I am doing my single seed challenge put out by the channel called Scotthead, and the object of it is to see what amount of produce you can get from one single seed. So my husband bought this barrel-like pot. It's actually plastic, but it looks like wood. I really love it. I actually have one pretty similar to it. And so I'm going to plant my single seed in this container. I put it right next to my baby pool, which is my weird container growing 23. That video is probably going to be out before this one, but we'll see. I have to look at my schedule because I have a lot of stuff scheduled. So in the bottom, I went ahead and put some drainage holes. There were some kind of pre-made spots there that you could hit with a little knife. So I got my drainage holes first. The next step is I went ahead and broke up some sticks in the bottom, and I used a lot of my material for this baby pool that's next to it, but we'll see what I could come up with for this one. So I'm going to start with a layer of sticks first, and let's see what I do next. Okay, so for the next layer, I got some dirt from the other side of the yard, and I'm going to pour that in. There's a little bit of sticks in there, but the sticks will break down and leave nutrients in your soil. So I'm going to leave some of that, and I'll bring you back and show you what my next layer is. Please subscribe if you are not yet subscribed to my channel. Please comment on this video. Please share it with your friends or on your community tab. I would definitely appreciate that. And I love seeing all of your comments. Okay, what am I going to add for the next layer? I'm going to add some bone meal, blood meal. I'm just using whatever I have available. Just did a light layer there, about a quarter cup, maybe less, maybe a third of a cup. And then I have some shredded paper that I've been collecting, and I try to get the paper that doesn't have plastic coating on it. Do that layer there. Now this will break down as it, rains on it. Okay, I think that's probably a good layer of that. Now I'm going to go back and get some more stuff. Okay guys, so I got the layer of paper last. I did another layer of regular dirt on the other side of the yard. I'm going to add in some of this compost cattle manure. I'm going to add in some of this. Kind of mix that in there. Hear all the birds today. It's a little chilly though. I actually have a jacket on. I came out here without a jacket and I was a little cold, so hopefully you can hear me over the sound of the loud birds. Alright, so I'm just going to give that a little mixing around, and let me show you what I'm going to pick for a seed for this year. Okay guys, what seed did I decide on? An Abe Lincoln tomato. I got this from my IBG 2003 seed swap put on by Indiana Backyard Gardener. And I am going to plant this Abe Lincoln tomato, and this is the only place I'm going to plant it, and we will see how much tomatoes I get from this one single seed. So I have quite a few seed here, but I'm just going to pick out one. The rest of them will go into next year's stuff, but one single seed. So let's see if I can get one single seed out of here. It's really hard sometimes to get one little single seed. Let's see if I can get one out. Okay. Right there, two came out instead of one. Let's see. And then I'll go put this in my already planted Ziploc that I have. And that way I know I've already planted this type of tomato. I still have quite a few I need to put in between my other tomatoes over there, But this one, I looked at the pictures, I did research on the tomatoes seeds I received, and I decided upon this one. I thought it was really pretty and a good size tomato. So I'm just going to take it and put it right in the middle of the pot. I'm going to go down a little ways. And that's it. Pat it down a little. That's it. I've planted my single seed for 2023 single seed challenge. This is an open collaboration put on by Scott Head. I will link his channel in the description box. I will link Indiana Backyard Gardener because I did plant the seed from her seed swap also in the description box. Please follow along to see how my single seed challenge is doing for this year. And I hope you guys have a great day. Happy growing. Bye guys.